Job number 2025-4418-2. We're accessing the drain through the 4-inch building cleanout located on the street side of the basement in the home. We are about 77 feet out. The counter indicates the distance. We're looking at the connection to the city main sewer. We see some water flowing by in the main sewer. What we can also see here is some kind of a liner product has been installed. We can see the perforated edge of the liner product from the original pipe surface. So some kind of a liner has been put into that Y fitting. In addition, as we branch out from that Y connection to the city main sewer, we can see that the lateral has been lined. We see the tag label off to the right, and currently there's just some cobwebs in the piping, a few minor irregularities, little lumps in the liner, but all in all okay. Minor pooling here in the pipe, water just sitting around. We'll see as we pass back, starting at about 67 feet. Right here. So ideally we would want more of a trickle in the pipe like this. That would indicate consistent pitch in the right direction. When we see this pooling here, that would indicate some challenges with that. Trying to keep the camera lens clear, but we do have a little bit of dark water here. So from 67 back to 60, we see some moderate pooling. "60 feet again is the upstream part of that moderate to minor pool, and we're offsetting upward to a slightly shallower depth, likely leveling off at the top of the offset. Again, we see just a small trickle of water right now, establishing our baseline. And again, all of this has a liner in it. We can see the tag off to the bottom right. Here at about 36, 37, we have another section with some pooling, very minor pooling. So about 34 to 37, when we go forward, we can see how it kind of, the wave happens when we push forward. Just a minor thing. And sort of back to back. At 30, there was this little brief spot here where it levels out, but 33 back to 30 feet, we got another spot where water is sloshing around. Upstream end there. Liner is continuing. Just a minor little bump in the liner at about 17. And this is our upstream end of where the liner starts. So a little bit of debris accumulated on the pipe, so it's hard to see the exact edge, but right around 16 feet here we can see the halo going from darker clay pipe to our liner surface. So 16 feet roughly is our start of our liner product. A little bit of spillage perhaps of the epoxy resin on the left side of the pipe. And then the green at the top would be the access point that they used to insert the liner. Pipe material is 6-inch clay. Going up our clean out here. Little bit of solids hanging out there. Access through our floor building clean out located on the street side of the basement.